I'm Hillary Pagnucco, and I'm the CEO of Divide and Conquer Personal Concierge Services. We offer household management that includes services like doing laundry, errand running, deep cleaning, cooking, anything that has to do with running your household, you can delegate out to us. Some of the challenges that we came across in other software programs was the lack of ability to use certain functions. Other challenge was that program speaking with the other programs that we were using. Therefore, there was a lot of time being used in manually entering data, but we have found that Zoho Books has been able to close the gap on those challenges. The mobile app of Zoho Books, to be honest, I use that the most because I'm on the go. Our experience with the transfer of one program to Zoho Books, fairly good. I think with any transfer or change, there will be challenges and a lack of wanting to change. But the fact that there is 24-hour support and emails that are being sent to us before we even ask the question about if we even need help, I would say have been the best for us because there was lots of challenges. I can't sit here and tell you that it's easy, but Zoho Books and the support team makes it easy.